Hello everyone, how are you? Thank you very much. Do you know the reason why you fail to learn English? Alright, I tell you today.
Brought to you by My Career Doctor.
Most trusted spoken English and career counseling clinic.
हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश के साथ योगा, फिटनेस एवं पर्सनल करियर काउंसलिंग देकर आपको बनाते हैं स्मार्ट, कॉन्फिडेंट एंड अप टू डेट.
This question is asked repeatedly by so many, English learners that why I fail to learn English. I would like to tell you some valid reasons that why you fail to learn English. But the most important reason is that you are a work shy. Here, work shy means you shrug off the responsibilities. You want to learn English, but when it comes to work hard, you don't want to do that. Tell me, please, if you want to become rich and don't want to earn money, how is this possible that you can become rich? You are sitting at your home, you are sleeping, you are enjoying your day all day, but not working in order to become a rich person. In the same way, you wish to become a fluent English speaker. You want to speak better English, but when it comes to work hard, you enjoy watching Netflix, you enjoy watching comedy videos, you enjoy doing outings, you do everything except learning English. How is this possible that you will become fluent in English or you will learn English? Second thing, you are looking for a shortcut. If somebody tells you that let's suppose if I promise to you that I will teach you English in 10 days and you have to pay me only 499 rupees, you will pay that money to me without cross checking that whether is it possible to learn English in 10 days or not. It's completely impossible and wrong. Thank you. Nobody can teach you speaking English in 10 days. If I know you inside out, I have assessed you, then if I treat accordingly, only then it's possible that you can improve somehow in 10 days, but you cannot learn English. So when you don't work hard, you believe on others, you trust people blindly, and you pay money for that because you desire to learn English in a very, very short period. Mind it? There isn't any shortcut to get success, be it speaking English, becoming rich. It has an organic way and you have to work systematically. Now, an English learner can be categorized in two groups or three groups. The first, who are absolutely beginner, who have no idea what is in fact English alphabet and all, but they want to learn English. They have different treatment. Second, some learners have the basics of English. They know how to read, but they can't speak because they don't have good grammar base. Here I am not in support of grammar. I believe that without grammar you can speak English. But we are non-native English speakers, so we require the basics of English grammar. So in the second category, we need, if you are from a good schooling background and all, then you also don't need grammar in depth. But you need to work on the basics. So second category people, they have some basics of grammar. And third, they know the advanced grammar, they know how to read, and they also speak somehow. For such people, category third people, short duration can be perfect. But how is this possible that somebody is a beginner, he or she doesn't know absolutely the basics of English, they don't know how to read? How is this possible that in a very, very short period, you will be able to speak good English? Now, these are the reasons you fail, because you fall prey, you get trapped by people that I'll teach you English in such and such dates and all, in so many days and all. Second thing, you are a work shy. Like I told you in this starting, you don't want to work hard. My dear friends, try to understand there isn't any substitute of working hard. You can work smartly, you can work smartly and work hard. That's a different thing. You should make a strategy, and like I have always told, that you should do four things every day if you want to learn English very fast. You should have a very, very strong determination. Strong determination you should have. That I have to do that at any condition by hook and crook. Willpower, you should have a very, very strong willpower. Then every day you read. You can buy a book named Champak, or you can buy self-help books. You should read every day loudly, in short, I tell you, and underline the difficult words. Then you should listen every day. You should start watching cartoon movies. You can start watching Ramayana, Mahabharata, Jai Sri Krishna, Little Ganesha, Aladdin Ka Chirag and all. You can start watching such contents in English in the starting, which can help you to understand easily. You should talk somebody every day. Now you can tell, I don't know how to speak in English and how can I talk? See, if you do not talk, you will not be able to talk. Simple words. Come here, go there. This is water. That is my brother. Start from those words, small sentences and all. And then in the last, you should practice grammar every day. I have also taught, and I have provided 90 days free spoken English clinic at My Career Doctor YouTube channel. If you visit playlist, there you will find a list, 90 days free spoken English course. You should start watching from there. I have taught everything in a very, very systematic way. Second, you can order a book from our Play Store. There is an app named My Career Doctor. You can install it from the Play Store. वहां पर स्टोर में जाकर आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. 250 rupees is the price of that book only, which I have written, Master English Language in 90 days. And 109 rupees will be extra taxation plus delivery charge. You don't need to pay anything extra. You have to pay only 358 rupees. In that, 250 is the book cost. 109 is the cost of delivery and taxation. In that, you will receive a book, a wonderful book. It's a great book. Everything has been presented there in a very, very systematic way. You will learn from that book English systematically, and that book will guide you how to learn English as well. I'm damn sure now you will not fail to learn English, and you work very, very hard. In the last, we provide you online classes as well. If you are interested, you can join our online spoken English paid session. For that, please do call to 9958567745, or you can call on 0627279630, or you can WhatsApp us, Telegram us. Our team will connect you back and assist you and help you. Either you can learn English free of cost from our YouTube channel, or by buying a book cost 250 rupees plus 109, or you can join our online paid classes, which is also very, very affordable. There you will get personal assistance. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.